Right now, we're going to talk about Japanese yen technical analysis for this week. So we're going to start off by identifying the trend. So it's clearly that we are in uptrend based on the market taking out the previous high, which is 184.011. So this leg that we have here is a pullback. It is a minor pullback that the market is making, potentially creating a consolidation range at this price between 186.77 and 183.360. So based on the data that I have right now on Japanese yen on a daily time frame, we can clearly see that the market attempted to create a new low, it fell, and now the market closing above, giving us a strong bullish candle. This indicates that the market has a probability to come and retest 186.771. So with that probabilities in take, I will be looking for the market to approach either this level, to be looking for either buy or sell, or for the market to come back to this level, 183.360, and see if it's gonna tell me to either continuation to the upside or a fall to the next key level. But in the meantime, my sentiment or my bias on GBP Japanese yen for the week is neutral until we reach the levels that we desire. Other than that, all we gotta do is just wait for the week to find a major opportunity to give us a high probability setup. In the meantime, all we gotta do is just wait and be patient. So now for gold, this is daily time frames. We're going to identify what is the most probable direction that it may go. So right now we can start off with the daily and identify that the market has been creating lower highs and lower lows, right? So with that information, we know that we are on a bearish market based on this leg. This is the last leg that we have for gold on the daily, and now it's pushing harder with no other pullback to the downside. So now we have the lower low and another lower low here. You see how minor it is from this low to this low, but it's still, the break is still valid because we have a strong two candle break, which confirm my breakout. So we are indeed still on a bearish market, but we are indeed in a bearish market, but do not let that do not let it dictate your overall bias, because as we can see, we still have a high probability that we may create a head and shoulder if the market decides to come back to this level, respect it, and continue to the upside. So, for the overall outlook for the week, we can see that we are in the middle of nowhere. So it's very difficult to decide which way it's gonna go. We also have a gap of price that needs to be filled, which was already tested once. So let's see how the next candle reacts back to the price here. So the main idea that we have here, that this is our most probable zone of price to decide whether to either buy to the upside to target the key level, or wait for the market to break, retest, and then sell to the downside for the continuation of the market. But in the meantime, I'll say that it's better to wait to see what's going to happen in the next couple of days to give us a better understanding of what's happening. Other than that, I also got gold as neutral at the moment. And that's it for gold. Now we have Euro USD. As we can see, this is the last high that it formed. The market pushed the downside, created. I wouldn't consider still not sure about this, but this is just accumulation to the downside. I'm gonna use this whole move to the upside to make my entire leg. Because look, we have bearish, bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish, bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish, bullish. So for me, I'll say that this is just a range that is forming. And until now we have a strong break, we have a push to the downside, creating a new high. So so what this is telling me that the market still has a high probability to come and retest 1.0635 here at these levels. Therefore, Euro USD is reaching our key level, which is gonna tell us pretty soon whether if we have a closure, bearish closure below here on the next day, the probabilities that we're going to come and retest this level increases 1.06350, right? But in the meantime, we gotta wait to see what's gonna happen with the daily. If we try to analyze right now what's happening, we can see that the bears attempt to come and retest our key level, and it fell, rejected by the bullish candle. So two probabilities here. One, the market comes back and retests here and break the level. Or the other one is going to be for the daily closure to close below here for the continuation to the downside. Two probabilities that may happen. So in the meantime, I'll say I'll wait and see what the next couple of days tell me about the Euro USD and make a decision from there. Other than that, that's the outlook that I have. I'm still neutral because I have no setup. So that's it for the now. 3 pairs, 3 analysis for the week, and testing just to see what is the best way to provide analysis, a quick, fast, and more efficient and more easy to understand. Other than that, bye for now.